Nice to meet you. Please sit down.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
Recently, I want to open a fruit shop, so I want to buy a lot of plastic bags for packing fruits. And do you have this kind of plastic bags?
Packing fruits. We don't have this type of machine to do this bag. Actually, we use this type t-shirt bag. The unit price is cheap.
T-shirt bag. No, I don't like it. It's too normal. Do you have another type?
No.
Oh no, you are so out of this, huh? I don't like it.
Oh no, please don't go. Wow, so many machines.
Lin was invited to visit Chovyting Machinery Company.
Recently, I have lost a lot of orders. Now we don't like to use t-shirt bags for packing fruits.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Recently, we have received a lot of orders of fruit bagging making machine. I think you will need it. You can check out this. This is the sample.
Yeah, there are many customers that want to buy this kind of bags, but I don't have a machine. Do you have machine in stock?
You are so lucky. We have one machine in our store. I think we can go to our workshop to have a look at it.
This is our machine. You can see it works stable and fast. I believe it can help you make a lot of money.
Wow, fantastic! I want it right now.